Customer complains the car runs hot and every hose is a sprinkler. Radiator looks like it is brewing chocolate milk sludge espresso. Pro tip: flush your radiator every 6 months or make cocoa. Tech pops hood and finds 2 red envelopes. Instant casino jackpot. Same car, Tech finds Tetanus machete in passenger seat. Free battle royale loot. Customer says driving feels like playing Mario Kart Rainbow Road Hazard. Rust level over 9,000. Entire front end needs spa day and facelift. Driver meets deep puddle. Engine drinks like water and takes an involuntary nap. We yank injectors and crank the car to create backyard fountain show. Second-hand cars special. Driver's side leak forms. Shoes achieve soaked sponge status. Evap drain clogged. HVAC turns foot well into kiddie pool. Free car aquarium. Sun-baked dash so hot the vent flaps melted into wax and blocked the drain. Car dies mid-drive. Tech finds timing chain bolts loose. Camshaft doing random dance. Oil light disco on dash. Throttle off equals light off. Balance shaft exploded into glitter. Cheap oil strikes again.